The new Weber Smart Charcoal Grills. Let's take a look at how they work. Weber has pursued integrating smart technology into their products for years. First came smart wood pellet grills, then smart gas grills. Now in 2026, Weber adds Performer Smart Charcoal Grills and Charcoal Kettle Smart Rings to their lineup, expanding options across all major fuel types. We were invited to Weber headquarters for a brief demonstration of how these smart charcoal burners work. Some familiar steps for operation of traditional kettles and the new smart kettles are identical. And indeed, you can bypass the smart stuff and just cook in good old-fashioned manual mode. But we're here to get smart, so... Step number 1. Close the bottom damper, because you will control oxygen, therefore temperature, with an internal digital fan. Let's talk about a few basic charcoal setups. Low and slow, 2-zoned with a hot direct side and moderate indirect side, and red hot for searing. Weber showed us a 2-zone setup with a gate that runs down the middle and corrals the charcoal to one side. Use your preferred method to light the charcoal, torch, chimney. Weber chose lighter cubes. Here's the thermocouple that monitors your cooking temperature for the fan controller, which turns on and off as needed to maintain your set temp. Weber's designers go to great pains to determine optimal thermocouple placement. Never place the charcoal under the thermocouple for low and slow and indirect cooking. Build your fire on the left side, away from the thermocouple. Your food goes on the right indirect side. For low and slow, use the snake or fuse method. Bank charcoal in a crescent shape against the left side and light one end. It will slowly burn all the way around while the fan controller holds your set temp. For really long cooks, you may have to refuel. For high temp cooking and searing, build a pile in the center. When all the briquettes are lit, spread them out. Whatever setup you use, once you have proper ignition, it's time to turn on the controller, which displays our room temperature of 75 degrees. Before setting your cooking temperature, go down here. There's a red fan tunnel door that's closed. It's pushed all the way in. Pull it out to open the tunnel and let the fan control airflow into the grill. The fan duct is down there on the right. It vents sideways toward the back of the grill. We went around to get a better look. The fan blows counterclockwise, creating a vortex, swirling that hot air up into the lid, where it bounces back down onto your food. Back around to the front, we set the temp to 425. The red flame indicates the fan is running. Put the lid back on. The lid damper is always opposite the fan. You want to get that heat and smoke swirling all around the food, not just let it shoot straight up and out of the grill. This is your basic damper setting for steaks and burgers, fully open. About half open for roasts and chicken, and a quarter or so for ribs. While your grill gets up to set temp, you can go inside and grab a drink. The Weber Connect app on your phone will tell you when the temperature is right and it's time to put the food on. When you're done, Close the fan door, shut off the controller, close the damper, and snuff out whatever charcoal remains for your next cook. Smart Performers are one size only, 22-inch. They come on basic or premium carts. Weber will also offer a kettle smart ring that can add this technology to non-smart 22-inch kettles. We'll be testing this new system soon. Stay tuned for our thorough written review. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.